Hey everyone, it's Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group. I'm here today at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln. I have Luis here with us, and he's going to go over some details on the 2019. This is the Lincoln MKC. So if you'd like to tell everybody a little bit about it, that'd be great.
Yeah, so this is actually one of our last remaining beautiful ruby red MKCs. This one's equipped with a lot of our safety packages. As you can see in the front, it's equipped with the front sensors, and as we go around the side, beautiful upgraded wheels and tires. Now, as we head around the side, we can see that beautiful light tan interior. And then this is equipped with all the packages that make a Lincoln brand luxury. And as we come around the side, you could also see the back sensors, back camera, just one of the safest vehicles and most reliable vehicles that are out there currently in the market. This one's equipped with a 2.3 liter turbocharged engine.
All right, thank you so much. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to let us know. So the best phone number is 502-426-2500. Also, make sure to check out our new express store, which is on our website at oxmoorflm.com. And I'll have a link to this vehicle in the comments. Thanks, guys. We'll see y'all soon. Bye.